NixOS Discovery. Am I on? I'm on. Yeah. So yesterday I was contributing to Nix documentation, and well, after during the day it was kind of interesting. Well, not kind of. It was interesting. Yeah. So this is the last thing I did. Wait, can I move this thing? Maybe like this. Can I put more? No, I cannot increase the font. So Frikla Handwerk actually answered. So again, I was saying a great way how you can contribute is by, and I like the expression that Frikla used somewhere. But anyway, hey, it's been a while. Hey, hi Debster. Hi, Happy New Year. Ho, ho, ho. Happy New Year. Yeah, and all the best to you. Yeah, I've been doing good. I was sick back then for a while. And, well, then it was, family stuff and family stuff. It was just, I don't know. I also got a new laptop because that one was dying. And this one is not, this one is very low end, but it works much better. NixShell P NeoFetch. I think NeoFetch is not anymore popular. Right. So how are you doing? NeoFetch. This is a Lenovo. I have 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah. Memory 60%. All right. Nice seeing you. Fast fetch is typically what's used by more people because it's being more actively maintained. Okay. Okay. Let's try fast fetch. Yeah, NeoFetch is not maintained anymore. It's funny when someone does NeoFetch and someone will write, oh, that's not maintained anymore. Fast fetch. All right. Oh, look, it's the same thing. It's kind of faster. Oh, it's nice. You know what's weird? Like my old laptop had 8 gigs of RAM, but anyway, I'm doing okay. School denied. Oh, I'm sorry. School denied my financial aid for this term because I had to drop a class last term. So that's kind of got me down. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. But I've been keeping up with my programming projects because you had to drop a class. Ah, well, that's kind of got me. I hope you get aid, next semester. Yeah. Anyway, sorry. That's nice. So what have you been doing? I've been back on NixOS and Nix and doing more Nix and doing my lambdas. It's funny, my old laptop had 8 gigs and now the new one has like 16. But now all the time 8 gigs is being used. I don't get it. Why? Like on my old laptop, it wouldn't be like that. Maybe it's GNOME. I think GNOME is still doing that. I think GNOME needs more RAM all the time. I heard people talked about it, how GNOME somehow eats more RAM. I don't know. I've learned how to implement a recursive descent parser. All right, in C++. So now I'm going to try and figure out how to implement it in Zig. I really like Zig and think it'll be a very successful programming language. Yeah, I heard that too. I heard yesterday was a funny video from Primagene. Always forget. He was like saying, I will not program in Rust. I will not. It was funny. Then he will do Zig, It was really funny. Yeah. I was completely in Nixland trying to build the manual. Can you believe that? Trying to build a manual. So this actually will be, I will not be doing, maybe I will doing also Lambda within the same stream. Why do I have to separate it? Because I have two playlists on YouTube. Rust to go to Zig. Yeah, it's nice. Well, I guess it's nice when you can, follow someone. Um, everything what they go through, that's nice. Uh, I was kind of trying to build a manual and it didn't work, and it seems to be that the documentation here is a bit outdated, although I'm not sure what this NixDoc means. And then yeah, actually. Well, it's the same as, I mean, it's nice. I don't know. I haven't really played with it. I've just installed it and it just works, It's nice. Before I used, Kitty, but if you would, I would know the difference, I would know the difference, but it's nice. I think it seems nice. I don't know what else to say. Wait. The config is nice. Ghost is something I played with during when it was closed beta. Yeah, like what's the config? No, what's the ghosty config? Yeah, that's all I have mono. It has all the themes, but that's like, Kitty, font size, window decoration. It's nice. Yeah, I don't know what else. I haven't really played with it much. And then this is, so yesterday I couldn't build this whole thing. What do you use it now or not? What do you use? Air with Nix build. So there are some old commands that haven't really worked. And it's nice that you can, I like with NixOS, I mean, their teams are really nice and really nice. I'm saying too much nice. They're like, if you have a thing, if you have a problem, they will respond quickly. I'm on Windows. Oh, yeah, you're on Windows. So use the Windows terminal, but I have Ghosty on my MacBook. They're planning on supporting Windows with Ghosty sometimes. So you always use Windows? Are you like a Windows type? Is that a type? No, that's not fair. Wait, I draw back that. No, we shouldn't discriminate people with like Windows type and Linux type. I don't think that actually applies. I draw that back. I'm trying to build a manual. Nix build. I'm not sure, why does this compile? Nix build packages built in current system NixDoc. Yeah, current system NixDoc. I didn't. Yeah, and then the Nix build NixDoc. Yeah, I always use Windows. I'm interested in game development and playing games in general, so I like using Windows. Haha. Oh well, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, I'm fine now with that. When I was, younger, I was like a Windows hate boy. Like, oh, no Windows and stuff. But now it's fine. I mean, it's not good to, but okay. It's great. You use whatever it works and you explore. That's great. I never use Windows now. I mean, I did have it, but I kind of was the thing when they, yeah. Well, I like Linux, so but even, Linux is not really, I like the idea, I guess, where you can, play with the system, and Windows somehow hides it a lot. So it's, I guess it's not about Windows, you know, and Linux, but it's more like it would be nice to have something like NixOS, actually. That's what I liked about NixOS. So I like in some weird sense, I like NixOS more than Linux because it does use the kernel, but it's just not the same as it doesn't have that, what do they call it, FHS, you know, the bin, all the directories that, you know, Linux has. So it's like it has them, but everything is in the store. It's like it's a completely new way how to, you know, it's a completely new way how to run things. And Nix people are doing kind of a very subversive thing. Subversive thing. They're working on a native Windows Nix. So you would basically you would install Nix. I mean, you can install Nix now on WSL, but they're working on so that you basically install Nix like any app on Windows, and then you use the entirety of Nix within Windows. So it's almost like Windows is then this simple kind of a host, and you use Nix. And so that's kind of a nice, that's very nice, because then with Nix you could basically, it would turn Windows in just this kind of a ground thing, and then Nix would grow on that. So you would just use Nix. Yeah, that's a nice thing. Less erasable. Build a manual from scratch. So I'm gonna go to my source. So I've cloned, where am I? In source. Oh, I'm in source. So this is where I have cd Nix. So what happened actually yesterday? There was this, I couldn't build the Nix manual, and then I was trying it out throughout the day, and I managed to build it. And it seems to be that this command does not work. And in the Matrix channel, they suggested that I make a PR, which is nice. More PRs for me. Yeah, I already have 2 PRs, and that's like, whoa, 2 PRs. How many PRs do you have? Nix build dot, wait, make has been commissioned. So Nix expression for Nix build is meant relative to the repo root, so you have to run it from there. Yes. Okay. Not sure there's a meaningful new way CLI to do the same thing. Frickla Handwerk is nice. He really responds always. A lot of the Nix people, they respond and they really write a lot, and you know, you can really, you know, it's very helpful. So at the end I actually built it, but I had to pass in the version number, which is kind of weird. So I couldn't build it with, so Nix build, and this is the new CLI. Oh, wait. So Nix build, Nix doc, and I don't know why is this, what does this mean even, doc? So evaluating derivation does not have wanted outputs. So there is this flake.nix, and I'm not familiar with flakes. So flakes is like cargo, I guess, in Rust. You have that log file and everything. So it's just a way how to share programs. Reminds me a little bit of when I was using Gentoo 10 years ago. I used Gentoo. Took me a few days to install it, and I was constantly on IRC asking for advice and help. Yeah. Do you miss that time? Okay. Uh, so otherwise, Nix build, Nix doc. But then then I couldn't, build it, and then I found a discourse. Discourse. Let's open up also discourse. I don't know. Is there something like here, Nix doc? Will it find like that? I look back on it fondly. It was a very fun experience and I learned a lot, but I was constantly fixing stuff. I remember Gentoo. I had it but very briefly. I was more, my progression went from Slackware to Arch Linux. And in between, some Ubuntu and stuff. But I kind of settled on Arch Linux and then NixOS. But yeah. NixDoc. NixDocs. Oh, can it search just for this? I don't know how you search on NixDoc. How to build, yeah. How to build the manual. And Nix is a beast. Nix is a huge thing. It's a really huge thing. I think you have to, settle for it. Like, I'll need a couple of years. Well, at least in my case. I think in many cases. I guess it all depends how versed you are. Next build, next doc. But this doesn't work anymore. But if I do, what did I do then actually? Wait. Nix build, Nix build Nix /2.2411 and then NixDoc that will build it. Now the flake command builds the result doc, while the next build command builds the result directories. It says Nix build, NixDoc, error derivation. Yeah. So now I found a way, because I inspected the flake output. So flake.nix and Nix manual. So there is Nix manual here. There is no doc. So I thought, why to add the Nix doc when I can just use this Nix manual? And so which command actually builds it? Yeah, running Nix build dot hash Nix manual generates 2 outputs. Thanks for investigating PR, appreciated. So now I'm supposed to make a PR. I don't know. I've made PRs only on GitHub website. I don't know how to make a PR within the terminal, actually. I don't know how to do that, I've never done it actually. I've seen it, but it's just, maybe I tried it, but no, I don't remember. So I'm not sure what to do. I know I would have to, and I have to make tests and stuff, hacking MD. So we build it, cd nix, nix shell, console, check phase. Well, this is actually for building Nix, and Nix is written in C++. Yeah, Nix is written in C++. I don't know C++. So maybe I will just do it. Yeah, I'm supposed to make a PR. Edit in place. Edit file. I guess I can do it here. So this thing works and this doesn't work. You know, well, for these things, I actually used, oh, I haven't had to use Git much from the command line interface either. I use CLion now, which has a Git utility, which allows you to select files you want to push and etc. Yeah, I use ChatGPT. So, and I will ask things. And for me, it's very helpful. So let's make a new one. Okay. I was asked to make a PR and edit a small bit of the Nix manual. This section. So now, okay, so what did I do? Okay, so the Nix build, so this command does not work. Okay, so this command does not work or is too old. Or I'm not actually sure if this is supposed to work in some way. Since both Nix build does call, what does it call? It does call NixDoc. NixDoc, yeah, NixDoc. It does, since both Nix build does call NixDoc, and the Nix build command outputs an error. What does it output? Okay, I'm gonna copy this. ChatGPT is great for, I don't know if people use it, like, but it's really helpful. And then it does me like a markdown code block, so it really writes well, you know. Anyway, all right, that's the error. Now, what does it work? What does it work? Nix build. Simply running Nix build Nix manual generates two outputs. Result contains HTML. Yeah, running. So this works. This works. Okay. So this works. And what else? Okay, now write this as a PR. Be short and use my words. And for now, stay on point. What else? I want to see it first. All right, let's see. PR fix outdated manual building instructions. Okay, that's not bad. Issue: the current instructions for building the Nix manual include a command that doesn't work as described. Running this command results in the error. Oh, I should add, okay, yeah. Actually, in the first part where it says the command which doesn't work, add that it works in the case. Out of curiosity, did you clone the Nix packages repo? If yes, are you in the root of the repo? Oh, Nix, I'm wait a second. No, I have, you're in the Nix packages repo. I'm in the Nix repo because this is the Nix manual. Is it? I'm trying to build a Nix manual. Why are... Which kind of a yeah. I'm not in the... Wait. I'm in the Nix repo. So if I go to cd Nix packages... Yeah, this seems to be working. Well, I'll add that to the PR then. Is it working? It does work. Yeah, but which kind of a manual will it build? Okay, wait, does it have a result? It has a result and a result doc. Firefox, what do you do? Like result, share, doc, NixOS, index. What did it build actually? NixOS manual. It built the NixOS manual. Okay. But I'm trying to build a Nix manual. I think I'm trying to build, am I trying to build a Nix manual? Wow, this is, now I'm confused. Because this command, okay, in Nix packages, this command builds the NixOS manual. What about the Nix packages manual? There is a Nix packages manual too. How do you build that? Nix and Nix packages. Yeah, I should actually, in the first bar where it says the command which doesn't work, add that it works in the case when I look for next version and then add the version number to the command. Like, what did I do? I should add that too. Where was it? I don't know. I did. Next build doc. Yeah, this thing worked. So now it will add this in the beginning. Let's see, the current instruction for building. Running this command results in it. However, this command works if you specify the Nix version explicitly, such as Nix build. Update. The correct command to build a Nix manual is Nix build Nix manual. This but I should add from within, yeah, from within the Nix directory. This generates two outputs. It's so weird because it will generate result and then result-man, and the NixOS manual generates the result-doc. It's really confusing. Updated section. Okay. Add also that these commands are run within the Nix root directory, but the NixDoc command does work when ran from Nix packages directory. And also that it generates the NixOS manual. This is so much now. Let's see. So yeah, Drake, I'm trying to, I've checked this also on the Matrix channel, and they want me to, they would appreciate if I made a PR. So issue, the current instruction for building the Nix manual include a command that doesn't work. Okay, I'll add here that, well, really, thank you, yeah. That's a part that I missed, actually. Running this command results in the error derivation. This command works if you specify the Nix version explicitly, such as these commands are run within the Nix root directory. However, the Nix build nix.command command does work when run from Nix packages directory and generates the NixOS manual. Interesting. Interesting. The Nix, the nix.doc command does work in the Nix packages directory, where it generates then the NixOS manual. I'm making a PR though. So at the same time, I'm here at the Nix documentation Matrix channel. So this generates two outputs, resolve man, changes made, updated the command in the manual to replace the outdated or non-functional. So to clarify the outputs generated by the command for better understanding. Yeah, but I'm not sure what to add in the PR. Maybe I should start with something though. And then that happened actually last time. I was like making a PR and then I was not sure. And then at the end, I don't do the PR. You know, I'm just thinking what to do. Well, the better idea is to just make a PR and then talk with people and then, you know, make changes. That's better. Building the manual, build manual from scratch. Or Nix build. Nix manual. But yeah. This generates two outputs. But it doesn't generate, this generates one output and this one to build a manual incrementally and also, yes. Does not work either. Frikla wrote. This part can be removed from the instructions. Well, so we remove that from the instructions for now, because make has been decommissioned. Decommissioned in favor of Mason. Yeah. Edit the file in your fork of this project. Build a manual from scratch. I think I should add here from within the root directory. Build a manual from scratch from within the root directory. I should add relative to the repo root. The Nix expression for Nix build is meant relative to the repo root, so you have to run it from there. From within the root, the repo root directory. Build a manual from scratch, or maybe I won't add that. edit. You're making changes in a project you don't have write access. Submitting a change will route you to a new branch in your fork, so you can send a pull request. Improvements, okay, this is how you can help build a manual from scratch. This works. Or console. Do I delete this? Yeah, I'm not sure. What did I write here? This current instruction for building the Nix manual include a command that doesn't work. But it works in Nix packages. Yeah, I'm kind of at a loss here a bit. I'm not sure how should I, these commands are run within. Fix, wait, make a markdown block of all the output. Oh wait, here's a just joined. Yeah, I think Frikla will check this a bit later, maybe. PR. You just sometimes I'm confused, like, do you first make a PR or you open an issue? And then from that, you kind of make a PR. So by referencing it. I don't know what's better. I mean, what's suitable in this case. Where is it now? Output has been updated. PR current instruction. So maybe I just change this at least. Result doc. Okay, this should be actually okay. Let me do this and see what the output is. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to Nix now. I'm going to do this. And now it's going to be slow a bit. Oh, it already worked. Why did this work? I did it today, I think. Result man. Oh, is it the same derivation number? 7GZ. Wait, if I remove result and result man, and I do it now, 7GZ was okay. Let's do it again. Wait. I thought it will be removed. I'm confused now. Result. Remove result. Wait a second. If I go out and go to Nix packages, and remove result and result doc. Wait, cd nix. And let's do it now. Oh no, it's, yeah. How do I delete it? This is, I'm at a loss here now. Maybe I should just not do a PR. Or I could make a small change here and then okay, I could make a small change. So this builds what? This builds a result. This builds a result, yeah. So an open result doc share doc nix manual index. Is this true? Result dot share result. Why is this result doc? Result share doc NixOS nix manual index. What does this make? Look at this. So this is the Nix manual. Okay, I think I'm, so what's the link? Result share doc nix manual index. Result doc share docs nix manual. Result, okay, so I could take this, cut this, and here. Or, and it's not result doc, it's result. Right, or console nix build. What did we say? Nix, what did we say? Nix build, nix manual. Nix manual, yeah. Result man. I'm gonna remove this. What did I say? Now I'm gonna just copy paste. So Nix okay, Nix build this Nix manual. Okay, and what does this build? Result and result man. Okay. Or maybe we'll just add, no, this thing. Nix build, Nix manual. And let's add and open what? What does it open? Same thing. And result share. Is it the same thing? Nix manual index is the same thing. Only the difference is, I don't know if I should add that the Nix build generates the man pages. Yeah, I don't know. So this is the same. Okay, Nix build. Well, if it's the same, then I can leave this result share doc manual index or console and open. Yeah, actually, I'll just delete this. Take this, cut, put it like this. Yeah. So console Nix build this, or console Nix build Nix manual, and open result share. But why did I before had the, let's try again. This is this seems like so much work. It's reusing something from the store. Do I delete? How do I delete a? How do I delete it? Do I just remove it? I guess I can just remove it. GZ. GZR. Well, there should be like a, what's there like a command? Next build. Not sure. Is there a command to delete a derivation from the store? I mean, I guess I could delete it like this, but okay, I will just add that to the repo, to the GitHub. Sometimes chat like gets stuck like this. Nixstore query deriver, Nixstore query reference. Nix collect garbage, Nixstore delete. Nixstore delete. Really? Delete. Nixstore 7GZRG Nix manual. Look at this. What it did delete result man, result doc. Let's remove result and let's build it again. It's still here. Now it built the result. So he said to remove this. To build a manual incrementally, enter the development shell building and run console. Maybe I would comment this out. Can I comment things out? He said to remove. This doesn't work. MD. Commit changes. Well, let's try it out. I'll just make a small change first. So commit changes. Update documentation MD. Optional extended description. Okay, now I'm gonna paste. Let's see. So let's see this. So the current instruction for building the Nix may include a command that doesn't work as described. Specifically, Nix build Nix doc run this command results in an error. However, this command works if you specify the Nix version explicitly. Okay. Outdated manual building instructions. Update documentation MD. Outdated. Outdated building instructions. Outdated building instructions, update documentation. Yeah, before you can use Nixstore delete, you need to delete all symlinks leading to that derivation. Yeah. The symlinks are like references. Isn't that like a Nixstore delete reference? Yeah, I'm not sure now. I know there There is a command that lists all the but when I ran the delete, it did delete. Yeah. Do you know how to do it? Well, I don't know. I think I'll make a small change here, and because otherwise I will never make this PR. I mean, at least not now. I'd like to do this soon so that at least we can. The current instruction for building the Nix may include a command that does not work as described. Okay, this is okay, but I wanted this. Additionally, these commands are run with the Nix. However, the Nix building stock command does work when run from Nix packages and generates the NixOS manual. Yeah, ChatGPT is weird with Markdown. Let's see if it will. No. I'll make a new window actually. Put this in Markdown block. It still misses. No, it's funny. You know, if you yell at ChatGPT, sometimes it will do. I was trying out. No, like this. Put everything I gave you into a Markdown block. But I don't feel. You see, now it works. Sometimes he won't. If you but it's just not nice. Okay, the current instruction for building the next manual include a command specifically. I didn't do really. Error. Let's see what they wrote. That doesn't work as described, specifically Nix build, Nix doc. Running this command results in an error. However, this command works if you specify the Nix version explicitly. Additionally, these commands are run within the Nix root directory. However, the Nix build, Nix doc command does work when run from the Nix packages directory and generates the NixOS manual. I'm not sure if I'm missing something, but I'm not sure if I'm missing something. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm missing something. Is the Nix doc supposed to be added somehow to Flake outputs? So what was the other thing? Maybe that's it, actually. You know, maybe I just want to do the PR and where next changes made. Changes made. Update the command in the menu to replace the outdated or non-functional Nix build with the correct Nix build. Nix menu and clarify the outputs. Okay, remove updated section. Remove the incremental build. This also. The incremental build section does not work since should we remove Remove. As make has been decommissioned in favor of Mason. Should this be simply deleted? I guess I'll just do this and then let's see proposed changes. Next manual. Discuss and review the changes. All right, my third pull request. I'm kind of very, wait, create pull request. Right. I'm very like excited about this. It's so weird, like when you are hobbyist and you never contributed really. I mean, at least not in this sense. So now I'm making my third pull request. It's like I feel like a child. Outdated building instructions, update documentation, MD. The current instruction from build-in running commands are, however, this command works to specify Nix version explicitly, such as these commands are run within the Nix root directory. The Nix build command does work when run from the. I'm not sure if I'm missing something. Is the Nix doc supposed to be added somehow to flake outpost incremental bin? Oh. Motivation. Ah, look at this. Wait. Sometimes, let's see if chat can do this. This is also practical. Very nice. Chat is really good for these things also. Wait. He can squeeze in. The stuff what I wrote into. So put what I wrote into the sections below. Yeah, he's doing it, but it's not doing it. No, it's really. No, just, okay, don't make stuff up. I have to do this. Don't make stuff up. Just put them there and make them all as one markdown block. He might not be able, they might not be able to do that. No, you see this? This is actually, this is what happens. It's so weird. And let's scream. No. How many times do I have to tell you? And like this, put everything into one block. Let's see. No, he can't do it. No, they can't do it. It's funny. Wait. Generate a markdown file where you will write that for me to download. I think it will do it like that. Let's see. Sometimes I wonder if it's good with like. Now it will make a file. Let's see. Yeah, downloads. Let's see. Look. The current instruction. Oh, it doesn't. Oh yeah, okay. ChatGPT can do this. Sometimes it can, sometimes not. It actually missed stuff. But okay, it's fine. I'll just do it. Okay, context. Provide the Nix maintainer. Okay, let's see this. Motivation. I think I should remove this actually. Is this a markdown actually comment? I'm not sure. How do you do actually markdown comments? Briefly explain what the change is about and why it's desirable. Okay. That's motivation. The current instruction will may include a command that doesn't work as described. Specifically, I think that's context. Provide context, non-trivial change, briefly outline the implementation strategy, invasive change. Provide context, reference open issues if available. Context, okay. Motivation specifically. The current instruction for building the Nix menu include a command that doesn't work as described. And then context. Yeah, I guess that's provide context, reference, non-trivial change, briefly outline the implementation, add +1 to pull request you find important. Large change. Okay, I'll delete this. And I guess I can delete this too. Yeah, this is a bit, as you can see, I'm not so versed in this. These are the Nix build. I guess I could do changes applied, running this command. However, this command works if you such as Nix build. Additionally, these commands are run within the Nix root directory. Changes applied. Changes applied. Changes applied. Update. How do I do changes applied? Just write briefly changes applied. Short section. How I changed the Nix doc into Nix manual command. Yeah, he's now doing the whole thing again. Changes applied. Changes made. Replace the outdated Nix build Nix doc command with the Nix build may ensuring compatibility functionality clarified. Remove the incremental build instructions to make has been decommissioned in favor of Mason. Yeah, but I'm not, I should remove this, but are they gonna use Mason? Okay. I'll just add this actually. Pull request, okay. Changes applied. Replace the Nix build, I'm not outdated, this is not really needed. The Nix build.nixdoc command with the Nix build Nix manual, and also, and yeah, the incremental changes applied. Question, changes to be applied. Changes to apply. The incremental bit sanction does not work since it's decommissioned in favor of Mason. Should this be simply deleted? Yeah, okay, that's it. Let's do preview. Nix build running this command error. However, this command works if you specify the Nix version explicitly. These commands are run within the Nix root. Yeah, I guess I'll just do this. This is not great, I guess, but it's fine. I guess it's okay for now. Create pull requests. Create pull request. Yes! I have a pull request. Yes! This is so funny. Okay. Look, +3, -2. Yes! pull request for NixOS. Nix, whatever. All right. Commits. Files changes. Epic. Yes, right? It's a great feeling. I know it's funny, right? But it's so nice. It's a great way how you can start contributing. It's just doing something with documentation, you know? Look at this. I even added a white space. Okay, that's not good. No. I added a white space. Edit. Nix build, edit. Did I? This thing. Yeah, and open like this. Wait, do I have to create a new branch? What do I do now? Now I don't know. You see? No, leave page. Leave page. Okay, bye. I will mess something up. You have unsaved changes on this file that can be restored. Discard. Bye. Okay. So that's it. All right. It takes so long. How long is this stream already? 1 hour and 6 minutes. That's great. 1 hour and 6. Was there a light there? 1 hour and 6 minutes. All right. I guess I'll. Frikla. Okay. Okay, he already answered. You mean CD Nix packages, Nix build Nix doc. This is because the change to Nix's flake Nix isn't in Nix packages yet. Oh, look at this. The change to Nix's flake Nix isn't in Nix packages yet. 2.24 in Nix packages against 2.25 on Nix master. So Nix packages does. But then we shouldn't change it. Yeah, I'm not sure the proper. Yeah, I see. Not sure then if changing to Nix manual is correct. I made a PR though. For now. And it's funny, I think they don't know that I'm streaming now, you know, when I'm doing this. And it's kind of nice because it's like it's happening. I see, not sure then if changing to Nix mail is correct. And Frikla Handwerk, he's the main, he runs the Nix. He runs. I mean, I think he's the main in the Nix documentation, like the team leader in the Nix documentation project. Not sure then if changing to Nix mail is correct. I made a PR though for now. All right. But there is a second thing. Why? You know what's really nice? Like, why did all this thing happened? Wait a second, I have a new icon. No, you're kidding me. Pair extraordinaire. All realms of co-authored commits on merged pull requests. Unlocked. Wow. Wow. I just changed the line. Okay. I have pair extraordinaire. That's nice. Okay, cool. But there is the second thing. Look at this. Where do I go? Wait. Why did this thing all appeared? Because of this. So Nix collect garbage max freed is not explained. Someone wrote this a couple days ago. So in the online manual and the man page of Nix collect garbage command, max freed option is mentioned, but the function of the option is not explained. And then I responded, you know, I've did a small research on max freed. And first I was confused with this max freed option because it sounds like a person, like Max Payne and Max Freed. No, it's like, no, okay. What was confusing is the freed, like the past tense. Yeah, anyway. And the name means, it's like the maximum of amount, you give it a, how many gigabytes you want to garbage collect from your Nix store. But the command, the option says max freed. So the maximum amount that it will be freed is 1 gigabyte. Which makes sense because if you have less than 1 gigabyte and you give it 1 gigabyte, it will delete less than 1 gigabyte. But if you have more than 1 gigabyte and you give it max freed 1 gigabyte, it will delete just 1 gigabyte. But it didn't do it when I tried it. Okay, so the garbage collector has a number of new options. So I found these in release notes for Nix 0.12. That's from 2006 or 7, I don't know. The garbage collector has a number of new options to allow only some of the garbage to be deleted. So that option was introduced so not to delete the entire garbage, but only some of the garbage. So the option max freed n tells the collector to stop after at least n bytes have been deleted. Release notes 1.7, the option was enhanced to support unit specifiers. So then you could add like 1G. But I didn't notice that's Nix store GC --GC, and the person asking here is about Nix collect garbage. So there is the same option for Nix collect garbage and the Nix store. So I don't know what's the relation between Nix store GC and Nix collect garbage. I think Nix collect, I found that Nix collect garbage can delete profiles and like boot generations. But I thought like the Nix store --GC is like the superset of the Nix collect garbage. But I don't know. Nix collect garbage, look at this, max freed 10 gigabytes. And system maintenance, Nix GC options. Avoiding store bloat, useful for developers with ephemeral packages. So it makes sense. And Robert then commented 4 days ago, he found some other documentation for the Nix store GC command, max freed. So it keep deleting paths until at least bytes have been deleted, then stop. The argument bytes can be followed by the multiplicative suffix k, m, g, or t denoting kilobytes. So however that's in Nix store GC, not Nix collect garbage, I think it would be okay to copy that over and put a comment about duplication in both places. Not great, but most of the effort is going to the new. So I should do this pull request too. Then I asked and I didn't get an answer yet. Yeah, about the max freed. And when I would test it and put 1G, the first time it did delete exactly 1G, and then on the second run it deleted 1788 megabytes. So maybe I'll do also here pull request. Let's go to Nix manual. Nix manual. Where should I add this? To copy that over. Nix doc manual. Nix store. Oh wait, he's asking here. Latest Nix manual. Check latest Nix manual unstable. Ooh, let's find Nix collect garbage. Go to folder, source Nix, source Nix, source Nix, docs manual Nix collect garbage MD. Okay. So we see max read here. Description. The command Nix collect garbage is mostly an alias of Nix store GC. Mostly. It deletes all unreachable store objects in the Nix store to clean up your system. I see. However, it does provide two additional options: delete old and delete older than, which also delete old profiles, allowing potentially more store objects to be deleted because profiles are also garbage collection routes. These options are the equivalent of running Nix and delete generations with various arguments on multiple profiles. So it's the same, but it's not the same. Options. Oh, there are no options here. Delete older than, period, delete old. Delete all, delete older than, and max read and dry run. Well, then someone might come and ask what's dry run. Yeah, I guess I should just copy it over. Include, what's this include and common? Example, to delete from the Nix store everything that is not used by the current generations of each profile, do Nix collect garbage. All right. Edit this. Let's make a second PR. Notes deleting. Options. Look at this span ID. This is the equivalent of invoking. Oh. This will be a little bit more difficult. Wait, it's doc root command ref nix and delete generations MD. Generation old and found profile. It's amazing how much time you need to just update something with a new sentence. Like everything I understand what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to copy this thing from doc manual source release notes. No, where is it? From here. Nix doc. Max read bytes. Okay, I'm supposed to copy this thing. Look at this. And copy it where? Nix doc manual source command ref. I might be in the wrong. Oh, I'm actually in the wrong directory. I should be in some kind of a markdown directory. Command ref Nix store GCMD. Look at this. This is command ref what? Nix collect garbage MD. Okay. So, but why is this? Edit. Delete. It's linking here. These options are for deleting old profiles. Options. What is this thing? Should I just add here like this? I'm not sure, because why is this span ID older than? Delete older than. Opt older than. That's an anchor link, I guess. Maybe that's an anchor link. Yeah. So on to my second PR. This must be some kind of anchor link in the Nix manual. Yes, the span order is a part of the HTML markup used in the Nix manual to create anchor links. Span ID, this defines an anchor point in the HTML document with the id attribute set to opt delete old. This allows other parts of the document to link directly to the specific section using opt delete old. This is a markdown style link that points to the anchor opt delete old. It becomes clickable link that navigates to the section with the matching ID. But why is this not, that's not used in the, this is so confusing now. Command ref, Nix garbage. Max freed bytes. Well, he did say to copy it. Max, keep deleting bytes. I think it'd be okay to copy that over and put a comment about the duplication in both places. So yeah, let's add a comment. Duplication from NixDoc. Okay. Maybe like this. Do I put the comment at the beginning or the end? Duplication from copy link. I see, not sure then if changing is correct. I made a PR though for now. From duplication from it's funny, like command ref, you see, if I go to command ref and garbage, where's garbage? Oh, that's Max Fried. And what's the manual that they want? Where it's missing source. Max Fried. Well, it's not showing. This is so... Yeah, I'm now confused. Maybe I should link it. There's equivalent of invoking max read bytes. This is the equivalent of invoking. Well, maybe I should just pull. I should just do this too and then see how to fix it. Or maybe not even fix it. Commit changes. Okay. Issue. I'm going to reference this issue. Referencing issue at proposal, added to documentation, what it does. Copied from NixStore GC. Copied the description of max freed option into the where. Copy the description of max freed option, right? Referencing issue. Copy the description of max freed option. From where? From copy link. GCMD. From GCMD. Proposed changes. What? Okay. Well, I'll see. Okay, this is my second PR. Nice. Create, oh, am I going to create the pull request? Am I, yes, no, yes, create pull request. Update NixOS referencing, copy this, important. Yeah, I'll just do like this. Allow edits by maintainers. Yes, second pull request. Right. All right, that's enough. No more. No more. Wow, it was so fun. Adding document, but it's so hard, GitHub. I mean, it's not hard, but it's very, I mean, it's fine that you have to really go to details, but it's like a lot of these things should, regarding duplication comment, that should probably be above max freed. You're right, right? That should be above. Yeah, you're right. I had a feeling. But I didn't do it. Yeah. You know what? I'm not sure now. Can I change that, or do I have to? Because I'm almost afraid to make a third PR to put the comment. It's like I'm going to make a third PR. Can I just change it a bit? Yeah. Motivation context. Edit. Referencing issue. Like if I, can I just go to files changed? No. Or I'll just leave it for, okay, I'll just remember for next time. You'll need to make the change from your Nix fork. Well, this is my patch, right? This is my fork. Yeah, I should really learn how to do this from the terminal. This is the fourth time that I'm doing this from the GitHub, from the GitHub web interface, whatever you call this. Yeah, I think, wait a second, what's the time? 10:18. Yeah, what's the time? I'll have to do something else. What's the time? 1 hour and 30 minutes. I wanted to do some lambda calculus. I mean from all realms of live Nix. Oh. But is it different? You mean like, oh, I see, look at this. No, this is not me. Yeah, I don't know. I think I will, yeah, I will have to learn to do it from my own source repository. Because I'm not sure, I thought like, because I changed the branch to patch 2. Well, that's where I was. Wait a second, look at this, that's patch 2. This thing. All right, here. This thing. Update the issue, this thing. Right, is it this? Authored for 4 minutes. Is it this? And then I change it here. Right? No, view file. What's this? No, collect garbage. Copy. Browse. No, verified. Authored. You'll need to view the file. Oh, I see. View file. Oh, you must be on a branch to make or propose changes to this file. You see, I can't do it though. What do you mean? You must be on a branch. But I thought that I have to be on the branch. Maybe I pressed the wrong thing. Referencing the issue. This is the patch 2. This is where I was, right? But this is now on NixOS. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of lost now. I thought... Wait, stop. View file. You'll need to view file. Edit. So if I go view here, okay. And then, no, I cannot. Yeah, this is confusing. I don't know. Oh, thank you. That's so nice of you. But what did you... All realms of Nix blob patch 2. Edit this file. Oh. Yeah. I see. Shouldn't they have like one line? Yeah, there should be one line. And then like this. It's so weird with actually marked, like if I put a comment here, commit changes like this. Like, where do you put the comment? Will this make more space now? I don't know. Commit. What? I have to now added the comment above the description. Oh, it worked. Oh, thank you so much. It worked. But I'm not sure this is, you see this because I'm not linking. This is probably something that, where does this go to? File not found. Yeah. Well, we learn slow. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. I think I'll just do a little bit of lambda calculus, just a little bit, and then I'll have to, when do I have to go to work? And I have to make lunch. What's the time? 2:15. Yeah, okay. I'll just do a little bit of lambda calculus, and that's about it. So, did they write something here? I made a PR. All right, that's great. Lambda, this. Conditions, booleans, and integers. I'll just do a little bit of this, and although I have a separate playlist for this, I don't know if I should just keep on doing this with NixOS. Maybe that's too much of everything, you know. 10:24, 11:24, yeah. No, actually, I will make a pause. I'll make a break. Sorry. Thank you guys for joining in. This was very nice of you, really. And that was it. All right. I wish you all best in New Year. Yeah, all best in New Year. Dabster and Drake and everyone else. And, you know, lots of... Okay, this will not be a speech. Okay, all best in New Year. Bye-bye.